It's your girl Jay, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure that you take some time and like, comment, and subscribe. In fact, I'm gonna give you a second to do that real quick. It's just the red button. It's like right here. It's just like right here, girl. Alright, well, thanks again for coming and visiting my channel. So today, as you see, I am made up. I got my hair down, the bust down, I got my makeup done. I'm all ready for lunch. But not before I show you guys a quick, cute hairstyle to do once you're already silk pressed out. I mean, because after you get a silk press, like, it's like, what do you do with your hair? It's like, do you keep it straight? You know, do you put it in a ponytail? I'm gonna show you guys the quickest, easiest hairstyle that I do. Like, this is my go-to hairstyle, like whenever I'm going to do something and it's already a day past my my blowout. So as you see, you guys, I am pretty still I'm still pretty silky. I actually use the Dark and Lovely Blowout Collection again. Let me tell you, it's cracked. The first time I was kind of scared about the products and stuff like that, so I didn't use everything to its full potential. But I've been using it. It's like it's consistently my favorite like blowout system now. So that's all I use. So if you guys are interested in hearing and seeing how I get from this to this, make sure that you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again, and let's go ahead and get into it now. So the first thing that I like to do is go ahead and comb my hair out really quickly. Make sure I get any of them naps out. As you guys know, I don't put a lot of heat on my hair unless it's, well, you guys don't know this. I'm saying as you guys know, like you just know me so well. So I don't put heat on my hair after a silk press unless like it's curls. I don't re-straighten my hair. I don't. Once the first day is over, if it's crinkly or it's puffed out, then oh damn well, it's time for a ponytail. But I do not go back through and re-straighten my hair. So what I'm gonna do now is just take, my hair is kind of long, so let me back up. So what I'm gonna do now is take this first section here, and I'm going to take my flat iron, just like this. I'm using the Remington because my baby is still down. I tried to glue it today and it did not work. So what I do first is and then I'm going to flip the flat iron just one time and then let it work its way down. You guys see that curl? And I like it to be, this is a style that I really don't want volume for. So I'm just going to keep on going around. As you see, my sections, I just keep them kind of thin as possible. And then I just keep on going down. And y'all know I'm going to speed this up because I feel like it gets a little boring and redundant after a while. But I'm just going to show you guys this side. You guys, while I'm here, I didn't come on here to talk really, but isn't that so sad what happened to PNB Rock? Like, I just feel so bad for him, and I feel so bad for his girlfriend, you know? I feel like we don't need to take this time and get on her about what she done, because I mean, it's nothing you can do. Like, it's already happened now. Of course you can, you know, talk about it and prevent it from happening to other, you know, rappers, making sure that they on their shit. But I mean, it's nothing we can do. And I feel like, you know, we're just really bullying her at this point. It's really bullying her, and I don't like that. I feel like we need to take advantage of this time to make her feel even more bad about what she done. People made mistakes. Unfortunately, her mistake cost someone their life. But yeah, I'm just going around in circles. But I just think it's really sad. And then you have big artists coming out about it as well. It's like, okay, you guys are just really adding injury to insult. Insult to injury? You guys know what I'm trying to say. It's just like, okay, guys, we get it. You know, it really sucks. And I feel really bad for him, and I feel bad for the girl. You know, that's the love of her life. Like, that's her children's father. Like, I can't imagine that she could have ever thought that something like that could ever possibly happen. I mean, I hope that this is a lesson to, you know, those girls. Like, you can't just be posting your whereabouts. Like, you just can't do that. You can't do that, sis. You guys like it so far? So now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and let these curls do their thing. Alright, and here we are with our final look. This look only took me literally like not even 10 minutes to do. It's a cool, cute, flirty look. You can wear it late night at dinner, lunch with the girls. I'm about to go to lunch with my girls. But yes, it's a cute little flirty look. I like the look when the curls actually fall a little bit more. As you can see on the side, the curls are not as like aware on the side, but I do like them to be more aware on the front. It also elongates my face. I have a short neck, so I be needing things that make my neck look a little bit longer. Let me show you guys the outfit, not that you asked. So I have on this cute little dress here. It's fall time. It's a little chilly outside, I will say. I have this little dress on. I'm gonna wear this with, wait a minute there. I'm wearing this with a little gold clutch, and then I haven't really decided on the shoes yet, but I will. Let me step back so you guys can see. But yes, this is the look that we are going for. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe again. Also, make sure you go check out my last video where I did a cute DR inspired updo. That's a cool you know, fall-ish hairstyle that you can do as well. I appreciate you guys for sticking in this long, and I will see you in the next video.